Hello students of Standard 7th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mejra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will continue with the same lesson, the human robot from your English literature. Dear students, before starting the session, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied till now. Prem Chopra enters the Super Robot Plaza. He was a thief and a tricker. He enters Super Robot Plaza. Super Robot's the best and the most renowned plaza in town. He wants a robot to act as an accomplice in crime. He considers proper investment for his latest loan. His guilt makes him feel nervous and diffident. Ram Singh 070 bought a robot in metallic blue, programmed to suit Prem Chopra's requirements. He takes command from a remote control. Prem Chopra operates him within a radius of a half kilometer. He decides to buy it. The three principles of robotics impress Prem Chopra. The robot always obey his master, will not harm humans and will not harm himself. Signs the sale deed and contract of no misuse of robot. However, Prem Chopra thinks that he got a servant and an accomplice. Then Ram Singh's shoplifting exploits. Ram Singh used for shoplifting. Ordered to shoplift jewels, necklace and precious stones. Warned not to reveal, threatened when he would be refused. The metallic blue robot obeys all command dutifully. Prem Chopra always ordered and watched from a distance. One day, Ram Singh 07 was exposed. A fruit vendor notices Ram Singh's deed of stealing a bunch of Afghani grapes. Incident related all over. Many shopkeepers recall all the presence of metallic blue robot. Information reaches to police headquarters. Hidden computerized cameras in Zaveri brothers exposed Ram Singh and he was caught red-handed by police. Prem Chopra flees from the scene. In the court, Prem Chopra denies involvement. Alleges someone has tampered in the robot. Government counsel Goel summons Ram Singh to court. Plan of unwind memory tape. Let's see what happens next in the story. Next day again the proceeding began and Ram Singh 070 appeared in the witness box. Mr. Goel, the counsellor, tell the judge that the super robots had the memory tape designed in these types of robots and they contains the information of previous week. To this the judge said, but the case started fortnight after the incident. The needed information must be wiped out. Councillor Goel smiled softly and he started staring at Prem Chopra. Sir, the robot has been switched out of operation ever since. Prem Chopra's face fell but he was confident that Ram Singh 07 would obey his master. The secret was sealed. Then the judge said, you can continue. Councillor Goel turned to Ram Singh, the robot. Councillor Goel turned to Ram Singh, the robot, and he asked very briefly, who is your master? A dull blue light flashed, and after a momentary brilliant sound, the robot squeaked in his metallic tone, Mr. Prem Chopra. What do you do for Mr. Prem Chopra? The councillor asked. Again a pause, a vril, then a metallic answer comes. Cleaning, meowing the lawn, washing, doing dishes, shopping. Recall in detail your activities of last 6 days. Mr. Councillor Goel interrupted. The memory tape went on mechanically and monotonously. Opened the boot of the car, emptied grocery, shut the boot, turned, moved 30 steps, stopped, Curo shop on the left, instruction signal, blank, moved left, turned 20 steps. At this point, the counselor commanded, stop, reverse the play. Again, there was an obvious pause after the instructional signal. Councillor Goel stopped the tape and noticed the pause, Your Honour. Some action is not revealed. What were those instructions? Who gave these instructions? He questioned Ram Singh 07. Information not to be revealed, he responded. But why? Robots do not disobey master. Councillor Goel gave a fleeting glance at Prem Chopra, who was moving restlessly in the percussion box. Your Honour, he addresses the judge. Those special instructions were from Prem Chopra, which have to be made public. The Jade Ganpati was picked up immediately afterwards according to the date and time mentioned by the staff. But still, it is only a leading evidence of the crime committed. I am afraid this is not enough to convict, the judge remarked. Councillor Goel thought hard. The three principles of robotics came to his mind. He closed in on Ram Singh 07 with a renewed energy. Ram Singh, what were those instructions? He asked softly. Information not to be revealed. Several people who have suffered losses will be harmed if these instructions are not reported. What were those instructions? Again, Councillor Goel persuaded. Robots do not harm people. Ram Singh 070 responded in a mechanical tone. Ram Singh, you have to remember the instructions, said Prem Chopra again. Please. Council Goel looked harshly at Prem Chopra. What were those instructions? He asked forcefully. Information not to be revealed. Ram Singh 070 went like a tape recorder. Information not to be revealed. Information not to be revealed. You don't understand. Ram Singh 070. All those victims who have lost their goods have suffered financially. They have been harmed. Council Goel raised his voice. Now, what were those instructions? Mr. Goel, keep on asking Ram Singh 070. What were those instructions? But 070 robot was using the same tone, information not to be revealed. Let us see in our next session, was Ram Singh 07 able to tell the things or not? Dear students, here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.